What's up viewers, hope you are well. Today Self-Care presenting a new video about cleaning earwax. Cleaning earwax is a very sensitive work. We all should do it very carefully. In this video you can see how you can clean your earwax safely. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's start our today's topic, how to clean earwax at home. Follow the remedies very carefully or else the wax infection may worsen. If the symptoms persist even after trying the home remedies a few times, make sure you consult your doctor. Do not try to self-treat your condition if you have a hole or a tube in your eardrum. First one, salt water. Salt water is the best earwax removal solution that can be used at home. It can soften the wax accumulated inside the ear, making it easy to get rid of. Now I will show you the steps of making it. Number 1. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt in 1/2 cup of warm water. Soak a cotton ball in the saline solution. Squeeze the cotton ball to put a few drops of saline in water into the ear. Stay in the same position for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, tilt your head in the opposite direction to allow the saline water to drain out. Clean the outer part of your ear with a clean cloth to remove the softened wax. Second option, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is another very effective remedy for excess earwax accumulation. Due to its effervescent property, hydrogen peroxide can remove the earwax and debris from the ear canal very easily. Steps of making it. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Fill an eardropper with this solution. Tilt your head sideways and put a few drops of this solution into the ear. Leave it for some time and then tilt your head towards the opposite side to drain out the solution. Wipe away the earwax using a clean cloth. Number 3. Baby oil. To soften earwax and facilitate its removal, you can use baby oil. Fill an eardropper with baby oil. Steps. 1. Tilt the affected ear towards the sky and put 2 to 5 drops of the baby oil into the ear. Place a cotton ball at the ear, opening to prevent oil from oozing out. Leave it for several minutes. Remove the cotton ball and tilt your head opposite direction to drain out the extra oil. Clean the ear opening with a soft cloth. Inside of baby oil, you can also use mineral oil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.